everyone, Terry Cutler here from Circo. And in this video, I want to talk about an advanced firewall feature that I learned at a SonicWall training a couple of weeks ago. So this feature is essentially called Capture. And what it does is it monitors your emails coming in and out of the corporation. And if there's an infected PDF file or possibly a ransomware zip file, it's going to run the attachments in a sandbox. And if it's infected, it's going to block it. And if it's good, it's going to let it through. So as you know, ransomware is on the rise and it should not be taken lightly, because if you get hit with a ransomware attack, your company will be down for minimum 100 hours and sometimes there's no recovery. So your company can actually go bankrupt because of a ransomware attack. So the downside for me as an ethical hacker and someone who gets hired to test the security of your companies, these technologies like Capture could actually block my phishing campaigns. So it makes my job a lot harder. So maybe you don't have a SonicWall, but maybe your firewall vendor will support a feature like this. Because that was one of the questions I got asked from a SonicWall sales rep during a lunch was, well, how many of your customers run a feature like this? I'm like, well, none of them. They're like, well, why not? I said, well, there's a good chance they don't know about it. So that's why I created this video for you, so you can at least be aware of it. And of course, if you want to learn more about ethical hacking services that we offer, feel free to reach out to me at the office at 514-744-1010, or my email is below. And I'd be glad to get you some feedback on that. So actually, if you do have feedback about this video, please leave them in the comments below. And until then, I'll see you in the next video.